Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use tokens on a crypto wallet for treasure NFTs. First, understand that crypto tokens are digital assets on a blockchain, representing value or utility. NFT, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital items, distinct from standard fungible tokens. Your crypto wallet acts as a secure digital vault for both these types of assets, allowing you to manage them effectively. To begin, select a crypto wallet that supports the blockchain where your treasure NFTs reside. It's crucial to securely back up your wallet's recovery phrase, often a 12-word sequence, and keep it safe. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with the appropriate cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Polygon, to cover transaction fees and purchases. Once your wallet is set up and funded, navigate to the Treasure NFT marketplace and connect your wallet. When buying, selling, or transferring NFTs, you will need to approve each transaction within your wallet. Be aware of gas fees, which are small amounts of cryptocurrency paid to process transactions on the blockchain, varying based on network congestion. Always keep a close eye on your wallet's transaction history to track all your activities. For an extra layer of protection, enable two-factor authentication on your wallet and any associated accounts. Remember, securing your digital assets is paramount in the crypto space. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep your physical space as clean as your digital one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.